Vande Bharat, Vande Bharat, Vande Bharat. Wherever we are going, we are listening this word Vande Bharat. So what are the specialties of the Vande Bharat Express? Let us know. Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18, is an indigenous high-speed train service introduced by the Indian Railways. It was designed and developed by the Integral Coach Factory ICF Chennai, India, and is considered one of the fastest and most technologically advanced trains in the country. The train's name Vande Bharat translates to Salute to India in Hindi, symbolizing its connection to the country's progress and modernization. Vande Bharat Express is an integral part of the Indian government's initiative to revolutionize rail travel in the country by incorporating cutting-edge technology and design. So let us talk about the key features of the Vande Bharat Express It includes high-speed operation. Vande Bharat Express can attain a top speed of up to 180 km per hour, making it one of the fastest trains in India. This enables reduced travel time and increased efficiency. Aerodynamic design. The train boasts a sleek and aerodynamic exterior, reducing air drag and improving energy efficiency during high-speed operations. Energy efficient propulsion. Vande Bharat Express is equipped with electric propulsion systems contributing to reduced greenhouse gas emissions and lower operational cost. Modern interiors. The train's interiors are designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious experience for passengers. It features ergonomic seating, large windows, and state-of-the-art amenities. It also has automatic doors. Vande Bharat Express employs automatic doors with sliding steps for passengers' safety and convenience during boarding and alighting. GPS-based passenger information system. The GPS-based passenger information system has offering real-time updates on the train's current location, estimated arrival time, and other essential details like speed of the train, the distance between the destination, and the distance between the next station. CCTV surveillance. The train is equipped with CCTV cameras to enhance security and ensure a safe travel environment. On-board catering. Vande Bharat Express offers on-board catering services, providing passengers with a selection of delicious meals and snacks during the journey. Regenerative braking. The train features regenerative braking technology, which recovers energy during braking and feeds into back the power system, enhancing energy efficiency. Vande Bharat Express operates on select routes across the country, significantly reducing travel time between the major cities and enhancing the overall rail travel experience in India. Its introduction marks a significant milestone in the advancement of rail infrastructure and technology in the country, catering to the growing demands of the modern day travelers. As per the ICF or the Indian government that our team has studied, the Vande Bharat is also getting a sleeper edition for long journeys, like for example, from Delhi or from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, Vivek Express. We can take an example of Vivek Express. There we have sleeper edition, chair car edition, and almost like so many bogies in that train. We only have seating, AC chair car seating in Vande Bharat Express, because it will not travel so far like Vivek Express. So for traveling so much far distances, the Indian government ICF is bringing a sleeper edition for the Vande Bharat Express. So that's all for the today's episode. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.